Hello friends, once again I welcome you on your own YouTube channel, Professor Pramod Pandey. So guys, today we are here to learn a subject name as audit and I will discuss some basic things about audit. So if I ask you what you guys understand by the terminology of audit, so the answer is you can talk about checking the things, you can talk about inspection, you can talk about determination, you can talk about evaluation, you can talk about vouching, you can talk about verification, many things, fine. But if I genuinely ask you, you ever did audit in your life, so what will be your response? Okay, I will help you in that. I can assume sometime you can visit any restaurants, KFC, McD, Pizza Hut, Domino's, anywhere. So, what's the process of ordering the food, or how you react, or how you enter, or how you choose your favorite dish, or menu cards, or hotels? How you choose it? Give me your 2 minutes, ka time. I'm hoping that you guys are thinking for that. Just pause this video and give me the answer. Okay. Now, whenever I don't know what's your answer, but I just want to tell you one thing. Whenever I visit any restaurants, so first of all, whenever I entered in a restaurant, I take the menu cards, I check bold dishes, the rate of the dishes, and whatever it is I like, I ordered that dish. I consumed that, and after consuming that, the bill came to me, and I paid the bill. Before paying a bill, I just checked that whatever dish I ordered, that all dish I mentioned in a bill, or the price of the bill is same. Why I do this? I do this just because I want to know the bill is correct or not. It means the bill is properly showing the value which I consumed or not. So, boss, it's exactly the process of audit. So, how I can correlate this incidents with audit, or this example with the audit. So I will tell you. Basically, in auditing, we do the same thing. If I talk about the definition of audit, so the definition of audit is very simple. That auditing is a systematic and scientific checking of financial records. Auditing is a systematic and scientific checking of financial records by an independent person, by an independent person conducted with a view to express an opinion. Conducted with a view to express an opinion. Sir, what do you want to tell us about this definition and how means how we can keep faith on this definition? Okay, I will explain it. The first statement which I used, that's audit. It is a systematic and scientific checking. Why systematic and why scientific? The systematic, it means we are following a process, we are following a flow to verify anything. It will tell us, or it will guide us that till what amount or till what level our audit is completed. And why scientific? Because whenever we intode in a system, after that we have to apply our own logic. So that's why audit should be systematic and scientific. Now the another term is financial records. So what do you guys understand by the term financial records? Before that, I just want to tell you what you guys understand by the term financial statements. Yes, guys, you heard it very correctly. I'm asking you what do you guys understand by the term financial statement. Again, please pause this video here and write down in comment box what's your understanding related to financial statement. Okay, now I'm assuming and absolutely assuming that you guys retain the points. So, boss, if I'm talking about financial statement, so financial statement includes five things. First one is balance sheet. Second one is revenue statement or income statement. Third one, cash flow statement, which is dealt by AS3. Fourth one, schedules. to balance sheets as well as revenue or income statement. Fifth one, explanatory statements. Whatever we give below in footnote, or we can say whatever extraordinary items or contingencies we write down in a footnote. Okay, guys. So now I talked about financial statement. Apart from that, what did we understand by the term financial records? Any records which we maintain in financial statement that known as financial records, you can understand this by this simple terminology. In other words, we can say wherever the money involved and whatever transaction business do with the help of money or in the consideration of money, that's known as a financial transaction. And all the records which includes the financial transaction, we can say financial records. I explained you the definition part, the first line, that auditing is a systematic and scientific checking of financial records. Now, in second line, we always use the terminology by an independent person. Why we need independent person for doing an audit? So, boss, if suppose I taught you audit, and after that your exam paper is corrected by me, then what will be your result? It's quite obvious your result will be 100% or 100%. Okay, instead of me, your question paper or your answer sheets checked by your parents, again the result will be the same. Okay, if your solution, your question paper or your answer paper checked by your classes teacher, again the result will be same. Why? Because we all are related to you. So there are chances that we will be biased towards you. So that's why whenever we are doing audit, we always need an independent person who can check all the papers, all the financial records in unbiased manner. After that, what that guy will do after doing a checking, after auditing the things, that guy will give their opinion. Yes, guys. That guy will express their opinion on all the financial records, whatever he checked. So you are using the terminology opinion, not a judgment. Yes, I'm using the terminology opinion, not a judgment, because it was given in a definition itself. So why opinion? Because no one can judge to anything. Like, if you want to know about the opinion, I will give you one example. You can take any audit report, any means any audit report, any big company's audit report, and you will find the line which the auditor always write, that I am writing this report or I am giving the judgment, sorry, I am giving my opinion on the basis of audit evidence collected by me to the best of my knowledge. Auditor always write this line, that to the best of my knowledge. It means there are chances that certain things happen in a company which I don't know. Or if in a future someone found that there are certain lacuna in a company, certain scams happen by the company, and there may be chances that auditor don't aware about that. Right. So that's why auditor always write a line to the best of my knowledge. Now, it's all about the definition part. Again, I'm repeating the definition just for you, that auditing it is a systematic and scientific checking of financial records by an independent person conducted with a view to express an opinion. Now, the second important question which I want to ask you, why we need audit? It's a very genuine question, very, very genuine question. Why we need an audit? So the answer is, it's all about trust. In any relation, we need a trust. Fine. Just imagine, just imagine. Reliance companies are having crores of shareholders, almost. Not in a crores, than almost 50 lakhs averagely. I'm just taking an example. So if 50 lakhs are shareholders to Reliance Industry, and as you know that shareholders are the owner of the company. If shareholders are providing fund to the company, so it's their fundamental right that they should know that the CEO or MD of a company is using their fund properly or not. So that's the reason each and every shareholders, each and every stakeholders want that all the companies should get audited so that shareholders and stakeholders can keep their faith on the company. So if anyone asks you why we need an audit or why companies do audit, so the core answer is trust. Trust factor is there. Okay, so right now I explained you two things. First one is definition of auditing. Second one is financial statement includes. There I explained you the five items. First one is balance sheet. Second one is profit and loss account. Third one is cash flow statement, which is dealt by AS3. Fourth one is schedules to balance sheets and revenue or income statements. And the fifth one is explanatory statement, which means a footnote. Now, after that, how we can make a financial records? Financial records is always prepared with the help of financial reporting framework. Yes, guys. Financial records is always prepared by with the help of financial reporting framework. No need to worry. All the notes will be shared by me on this video itself. Just hold on. I will show you the whole things and then you can write it. Fine. So financial reporting framework will help us to make financial records. So what is financial reporting framework? So financial reporting framework means first one, if there are any specific law which is made for that company, so company have to follow that law. For example, company law is made for all the companies. Electricity Act is made for electricity companies. Banking Act is made for banking company. In the very same sense, each and every industry made their own laws. Like if you are moving here and there by local trains, then railway acts are there. Railway Acts 1879, if I'm not wrong. So you should understand each and every company is run by their own law. So first and foremost condition of financial reporting framework that the company should follow their law, whatever is made by the statute. Second thing, company should follow accounting standards and Indian accounting standards, AS as well as Ind AS, issued by the ICI. Third one, explanatory statements and guidance issued by the ICAI. If company following these three conditions, then company is following a financial reporting framework. So these are the basic things related to financial reporting framework. Now, for those students who want to write it or who want to copy down this, I'm sharing my screen for a few minutes. You can take a screenshot for that or you can write it by pausing the video. Fine. I'm sharing my screenshot. Uh, I'm sharing my screen now. I'm hoping and absolutely hoping that my screen is visible to you guys. So here, the definition of auditing. Auditing is the systematic checking of financial records by an independent person conducted with a view to express an opinion. Now, if we move towards the next slide, so the next slide is Here it's visible to you guys. And financial statement includes first one balance sheet, second one profit and loss account, third one cash flow statement, fourth one schedules to profit and loss account and balance sheet, fifth one explanatory statement. That financial statements need to be prepared in accordance with relevant statutory requirements, example the Company Act, accounting standard issued by the ICAI, and the third one is guidance notes issued by the ICAI. These requirements are known as financial reporting framework. So, guys, I'm hoping and absolutely hoping that you guys are taking screenshot of this. And in today's lecture, I completed the three answers. First one is definition of auditing. Second one is financial statement includes. There are five items, and the third one is financial reporting framework. Thank you, guys. Please go study. And if you are having any doubt, please write that in the comment box so that I can answer your queries. Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind.